Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin, Gemini. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Gemini, as always, we're going to start it with an angel blessing card to top the reading and see what my angels have for you for this reading, and then we'll begin, okay? So my angels, a blessing, advice, or a message card for my Gemini, please. Blessing, advice, or a message for my gems. Thank you. This one. All right, let's keep this one, Gemini. Put the rest back. So the card we get, Gemini, is learning experience. So this could be a strong lesson that you've recently learned or are in the process of learning, Gemini. Could be an old connection which is fading away. This is some kind of spiritual big job, okay? So this is an experience that has taught you a hell of a lot or is teaching you a lot, okay? So I don't know why this card is here. Let's see your reading and see what you're going through right now and why this card is here for you today. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'm very, very grateful and thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Gemini, this is going to be the newbies. Let me explain a love bite to you. It's a simple 9-card spread just to check your energies, see you where you guys are at now, if there's any important message that you need to hear or any guidance that's required. And then if you need a private reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So yes, Gemini, just as I was saying, something has come to a halt here. Maybe this is something which was a learning experience for you, but there is a bit of stagnation and things have really ended here. At least that's how you feel at the moment. First card here, the Moon in reverse, the High Priestess, 8 of Swords in reverse, Queen of Pentacles, 7 of Wands, and the Queen of Cups. King of Cups, Temperance, and the 10 of Pentacles. So some secrets have been revealed here now, Gemini. I think things are out in the open. Something has backfired big time. Okay, whatever secrets were revealed either about you to somebody else or vice versa, things have really kind of backfired here after things are out in the open. You are trying to listen to your intuition and see what is the best thing to do, but I don't think you're really revealing all. This could have been a third-party situation, Gemini, where hearts have been broken here big time, okay? Maybe people are not even talking to each other. There is silence after these secrets have been revealed. And somebody is very desperately now trying to get out of their mind and stop overthinking the situation. Things have really stopped here, to be honest. Things have, like the Chariot is also in reverse at the moment. Things are really, really stagnated, stalled, stopped. Things are out in the open. Somebody here is kind of trying to keep themselves guarded, see things from a higher perspective. But I think the worst is already over here, Gemini. Whatever had to be said or done has already been said and done. So I do see 2 queens in the center, which is the Queen of Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. But the Queen of Cups is in reverse. So yes, maybe there was a player in the mix here. There was somebody who was trying to play 2 queens here. Both of them I think are beautiful queens, but somebody is trying to now see things from a higher perspective. That they are understanding how they may have made promises to both of them, and neither of these promises were fulfilled by this Knight of Wands. This is a player card. This is somebody who's immature, who doesn't think of the consequences of things, and goes to people with promises which they can seldom keep. So all these things are being highlighted at the moment, it seems, by both these queens, and there is a lot of barriers being put. Let's see this Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups spirit. What's this Queen of Cups thinking? Yes, this Queen of Cups is thinking that whoever this person was in my life was not strong enough. Maybe they were self-centered and selfish. And let's see what the Queen of Pentacles is thinking. What's the Queen of Pentacles thinking, spirit? There was no equal give and take in a relationship. They feel their partner was giving to more than one, maybe, and that's the reason this thing hasn't worked out. I think more than one person here is kind of dropping the fight now. Maybe earlier there was a little bit of a tussle between these two queens regarding this Knight of Wands, who actually turned out to be good for none of you, I think. Both are realizing that things haven't worked out, or things should not be worked on now because of this person was emotionally manipulative. King of Cups in reverse is a person who tries to emotionally manipulate every situation they're in. So as being the player, I guess, they may have given false promises to more than one person, and now things are totally out. They're exposed, and I think this King of Cups is being dropped by more than one person here. One more card, spirit, for the King of Cups. Yes, this is now burdening this King of Cups because now they realize that, oh my God, I was taking on more than I could handle. I think they were making these false promises to a lot of people, more than one person. And now I think there's a lot of healing going on for everyone, and whoever's in this dynamic. Nothing has really worked out here, to be honest. The Ten of Pentacles is in reverse. So I think more than one person has given up on this dynamic. So things are really not good at the moment. Temperance spirit. Yes, this has been not a balanced equation. It hasn't been like two scales and they can be balanced. When you have three, then there's always one person always being left out. From what I feel here, Gemini, it's earlier these queens were being juggled, and now they are taking a call to leave the masculine out, it seems. Yes, there is no balance. There is no balance here. Temperance upright and temperance reverse. So what should have been balance, what should have been between two people, was, I think, distributed in three, and that's why the balance, it tipped over. Okay, the scales of justice were tipped over, and hasn't left to happily ever after for anyone. So Ten of Cups spirit, Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles here. There's a lot of dropping of things, a lot of choices being made here, Gemini. Here's your card. Okay, so a lot of choices are being made here. People are dropping their partner or partners here. There is a lack of passion. There is a lack of love. Maybe, these could be different dynamics with different people, but everything is in reverse at the moment. There is no love here. There is no passion here. Things are being dropped from the dynamic now. Choices are being made, and there is no chance of having a happily ever after with anyone here, from what I see. Things are quite stagnated here. Things are totally halted at the moment, just leaving behind a trail of broken hearts. So this could have been a karmic lesson for more than one person here, to be involved in a dynamic like this. So yeah, that's the story right now, from what I see. Not the happiest, but every ending does lead to a brand new beginning. And if you can get the lesson from what you've learned, maybe the feminines had to learn self-worth and self-respect, and the masculine, as much as they were trying to be a player here, I think they got left without anything. There is nothing left. Nobody left, finally. Yes, the Four of Wands is in reverse. Ten of Pentacles is also in reverse. So both these dynamics are gone now. Sorry, Gemini, not the happiest message, but I have to read it the way it comes. I can't change the cards when they want to show up, okay? So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.